In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center an image in Webflow. If you want a simple, reliable, and responsive way to place an image perfectly in the middle of a section or container, the flexbox method is one of the easiest options to use. It gives you very precise control over alignment, and once you understand the setup, you can reuse the same technique in many other parts of your Webflow projects. To get started, open your Webflow project and go to the page or section where you want the image to appear. Before making any changes, it helps to identify exactly where the image should be centered. Because in Webflow, alignment usually depends on the parent container that holds the element. Next, add a div block onto the canvas. This div block will act as the container that controls the image's position. Think of it as the frame that tells Webflow how the content inside it should be arranged. Once the div block is in place, drag your image into that div block so the image is wrapped inside the container. This is important because the centering settings will be applied to the div block, not directly to the image itself. Now select the div block. Then go over to the Style panel on the right side. In the Layout section, click the Flex icon to turn the div block into a flex container. This is what allows you to align the image both horizontally and vertically in a very clean and responsive way. Keep the direction set to horizontal, which is the default setting. After that, look for the Align and Justify controls. In both of those alignment boxes, click the center dot. Setting both of these to the center locks the image into the middle of the div block. One control handles alignment across one axis, and the other handles the opposite axis, so using both ensures the image is fully centered within the container. If the image does not appear exactly where you expect, check the size of the div block. The container needs enough width or height for the centering effect to be visible. In many cases, giving the div block a defined height helps you see the vertical centering more clearly, and that's it. Thanks for watching.